Hi guys, I hope you all will be fine and doing good. Today we are going to discuss about interesting and interested. What's the difference between interesting and interested? But if you are new in this channel, do subscribe channel for the latest videos about English and other interesting subjects. The first one, like here I have written, the book is full of information. It's very interesting. Now what does it mean? Now here the word interesting tells us what the book does to a person. It interests him. A book can be interesting, boring, exciting, or amazing. Means anything can be interesting, boring, amazing for a person. It's the same like book can be interesting, boring, exciting, or amazing for a person. Like I have done the more example about it. The Tom told us an amazing story. I didn't enjoy the match. It was boring. Now here boring is ing form. What thrilling news this is. Congratulations. And if we talk about interested, what does interested mean? Sarah is very interested in newspaper. Now here interested, what does it mean? The word interested tells us how Sarah feels. Like a person can feel interested, bored, excited, or amused. The same here, the like the upper example, there was the book example, means the book can be interesting, boring. Same, newspaper can bore or give interest to Sarah, or give boredom to Sarah, give excitement to Sarah. So this is what this all about interested. And more example it can be taken like, we were amused at Sarah's story. I feel relaxed when I see my mom. We were thrilled to hear your good news. So I hope you have gotten today's lesson. If you have any query regarding this interesting and interested, you can freely ask in comment section. It will be my pleasure to reply. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Allah Hafiz. Take care of yourself.